What would you say to somebody who's wanting to maybe cross over from a sales side to a marketing side, or a marketing side to a sales side? What are the essential kind of uh, concepts that they need to have absolutely clear? Because grass is always greener on the other side. सबको ये लगता है अरे sales वाले को तो incentive मिलता है, marketing वाले को ये लगता है oh forgive me if I'm slipping into Hindi, but marketing वाले को ये लगता है it's like oh sales वाला gets incentive, sales वाले को लगता है oh this looks glamorous because I don't have to literally like chase people up and stuff, because all of it is in the virtual or the online or the unseen kind of world. What are the concepts that you would like to clear for these people?
So one thing I firmly believe that any skill can be acquired, but at the same time, it's great if you have a natural aptitude for it. So what I mean by that is, I'm not a natural salesperson, and I know that. But being a
Really?
founder, being someone who runs a business, I have to wear that hat right now, right? I'm the salesperson. I'm the first salesperson of the company,
You're the first
right?
salesperson, yeah.
So I think it starts from your mindset. Like if you're let's take a salesperson who wants to come back to marketing or who wants to switch to marketing. One thing is that you have to understand things don't happen as quickly in marketing as it does in sales, right? You don't reach out to a prospect today and you're not going to get a response in a few days, or you're not going to convert a customer. There is a sales cycle, I understand, but I'm talking more from an SDR standpoint, wherein you're trying to reach out to someone, let's say over LinkedIn, email, cold call, and you're expecting a quick response, and your quota or targets are also defined that way. So things don't happen that fast in marketing. So you have to get used to the fact that marketing works very slow, and a salesperson usually is not wired to think that way. So I think that
Mm.
mindset shift is the most important thing. Rest of the things, the skills, whether you talk about digital marketing tools, branding, PR, like you said, those skills can be picked up. But if you don't come in with the right mindset, it is going to be more difficult. Same happens with a marketer trying to switch to sales as well. It's the other way around, right? Marketers usually have more leeway in terms of planning things a little long term. There are of course some short term tactics, but usually you look at a time frame of, let's say, 5 to 6 months for you to start showing some significant results. You don't have that time in sales, right? You have to show results very quickly, so you have to be very aggressive. You have to be very systematic about your approach. You have to optimize the ways in which you do outreach. So there are a lot of things that go into sales. So you have to be more aggressive, you have to be quicker, you have to be a much quicker learner. Not that you don't have to learn things when you are in marketing, but in sales you tend to have less time. So I
Yeah.
think it boils down to the mindset factor to me. Rest of the things like skills can be picked up.